Why, hello, my friends. RPJT Gaming here, back to you with another video. So I'm in Legion. I'm on my Druid. Just dinged 120 on my Druid yesterday, and I'm trying to um, increase his professions. He is a herbalist and also a skinner. So I'm out here over in Legion right now, and I'm just trying to level up the skills. Obviously, I've got the first tier for herbalism, and I have the first tier for uh, the skinning materials. So I'm just actually over here in High Mountain, and I was looking at the potential for, the maximum amount of skins that I could get per hour, and I was looking at this area, which is near the water in Thunder Totem, which actually has these cold scale gaze crawlers, and they don't respawn very fast, but there's quite a very meaty extent of them, I guess, is kind of what I'd call it. There's a plentiful amount of them, so you can kind of just, there's really nobody ever here. So each one right now for me is giving about 2 Stormscale per skin. I'm hoping that eventually, once my level up goes to maximum 3, then I can get more materials, but we'll see. Another area that I plan on going to next is the Ravisher area, which is just south of Valshara and north of Asuna. It's actually right here where it says the Blood Gazer Swarm. It's actually a good indication because usually these are world quests and you just have to kill a bunch of these Blood Gazer Falcosaurs. So I believe there's one here, and then I think there's one over in Stormscale somewhere, and I think there's one over in High Mountain somewhere over here. Possibly. I can't remember where all these places are, but I usually just head to wherever the daily quest is for it and use the skin there. But I'm heading actually over to there next, so I'm going to actually see how much I get from this area over a span of about 10 minutes or so, and then I'm going to head back over. I'm going to cut the video right here, and I'll give you guys a result for 10 minutes of farming. Alright guys, see you in a little bit. Bye. So I just finished my 10 minutes of farming these gaze crawlers over here in Thunder Totem. I received 142 Stormscale from doing that. Don't pay attention to the looted item value. I got a couple extra items for transmog, and they kind of skewed that number. So for 10 minutes, let's see, 1800, about 1900 gold of value, and it looks like on average the region average daily sold is 344. So they are selling. So I think it would definitely be worth my time. I wouldn't probably farm more than 500 to put them up on the auction house though, especially if only 344 are selling. That's usually my rule of thumb, is just to go a couple hundred over whatever the region average daily sold is, so I kind of always have a stockpile of materials in my guild bank. So I'm going to cut the video here. I'm going to head over to the Ravisher area and see how we match up and see if it's better than this. But yeah, 142 units, about 1800 gold in about 10 minutes. Alright guys, I'll see you in a few. Yep, bye. So I noticed I'm not the only one who is farming this area. This Puckamagoo guy keeps stealing all my mobs, and I still got 276 Stonehide. So that's awesome. Bottom line is that's awesome. Because each stack of 200 is going for 2600 gold. I'm definitely throwing this up on the auction house, especially since the region average daily sold is over 1,000. So I should be looking at potentially some gold in my mailbox tomorrow if I throw these up right after this video. Yeah, I'd say if you have a druid, he's a skinner or she's a skinner, you should be doing this. You really should be. It looks like it could potentially net in some good gold. And I only did 10 minutes of this, and I'm only rank 1. So I guess, the thing is, what's rank 2 going to bring in? What's rank 3 going to bring in? I bet it's going to bring in more materials, and that means more gold in my pocket potentially. So I think I'm gonna try to rank up my rank 2 and rank 3s and see if this is even more profitable than some of the other things that I've been doing lately, especially with the raw gold farming. So yeah, I'm gonna have to report back to you on that once I get to rank 2 and rank 3. So this is kind of like a status video, I guess. You know, we'll see what happens. But I hope this helps, and I hope you like and subscribe to this video. Alright, guys. Take care. See ya.